Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Matters Wizard. Today, we've got something special for all you beginners out there looking to make money online. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to supplement your income, we've got 5 proven methods that can help you start earning money right now. Stick around because we'll be sharing tips and insights along the way. Let's dive in. Before we get into the video about how to make money online, make sure to check out the link in the description for one of my best recommendations when it comes to making money online. Our first method is freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, web development, or even social media management, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients looking for your services. It's a fantastic way to earn money online by offering your expertise. Method number 2, online surveys and market research. Many companies pay for your opinions on products and services. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer opportunities to earn money by participating in surveys and research studies. Method 3 is affiliate marketing. If you're passionate about a particular niche or product, consider becoming an affiliate marketer. You promote products or services through your unique affiliate link, and when people make purchases through that link, you earn a commission. It's a great way to monetize your blog or YouTube channel. Speaking of YouTube, method number 4 is content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast about something you're passionate about. As you gain an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Just remember, building an audience takes time and consistency. Last but not least, method number 5 is creating and selling online courses or ebooks. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider sharing your knowledge through courses or ebooks on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income. Tips for beginners. Before we wrap up, here are some essential tips for beginners. 1. Stay consistent. Success in the online world often comes with consistent effort and dedication. 2. Learn and adapt. Be open to learning new skills and adapting to changes in the online marketplace. 3. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Beware of scams promising overnight wealth. Legitimate online opportunities require time and effort. 4. Network and collaborate. Connect with others in your niche or industry for support and collaboration. 5. Manage finances. Keep track of your earnings and expenses, and consider setting up a separate bank account for your online income. There you have it, 5 proven methods for beginners to start making money online. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right mindset, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.